Hello, welcome back to Global's Weltrade Synthetic Signal Provider Service. If this is your first time of visiting this YouTube channel, do your best to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you get notified each time I upload a new content, and try to like and comment and refer this channel to your network so that YouTube pushes to a high level of audience. In today's video, which I'll talk about daily psychology concept in Forex synthetic market. Daily psychology concept in Forex synthetic market. Up till now, a lot of traders have been losing money because they actually trade the market with respect to accurate knowledge and ideas instead of what the market is trying to do in a given day. The most of the activities in the market is actually proportional to the daily activities, because most of the traders happen to place trades on daily basis than on weekly basis or monthly basis, because trading is emotion driven. So everybody want to place trade in a day, everybody want to trade every day. Okay, there is a rise in volume on daily basis, and so for you to actually make profit in the market, you have to see it in the daily basis aspects. Before I continue to the illustrations and the practical part of this video, if you are looking for a very serious profitable course, a strategic course, a course that will help you to make steady profit, make sure you join us on Telegram and DM me so that you get the course. It is called GWIPSI, Global Weltrade Infinity Profitable Strategy. That means there is no loss with this strategy. You actually trade the market during resonance period. You trade the market during resonance period. That is when the market speed is maximum, when the market has almost zero drawdown and infinite profit direction. Like, you have to get this course, because I don't have much to say about the course, but in future the price of the course will get up to $1,500, if not $2,000. But right now the course is actually $500. If this course is gonna change your life forever, then you have to get it now that it is cheap, because in future it's going to be very costly, that you may not be able to have access to it. So it's easier to buy water on earth than to buy water on the Mars. So the cost of water on earth is going to be cheaper than the cost of water in the Mars, because there are limited supply of water on Mars, but there are a lot of it on earth. So think about it. Right now there is much supply for this course, because the demand is not, there is a new course, so not a lot of traders are coming for it at this stage. But in future, the number of traders coming for this course will increase, and you have to get this course right now for cheaper price, or it will increase like Bitcoin in future. So that's by the way. Coming to the illustration of this, when the day begins, the market will have an open price and then have a low price and go up I'm talking about bullish candle to create a bullish candle, and then when they open again, the market will create a high. So this one that is shaded is bullish, this one that is unshaded, this one that is shaded is bullish, this one that is unshaded is bearish. Okay, don't be confused, just take it like that. Whatever you name your polarity, that's what it is. Just be consistent. Okay, just be consistent. So we have the high, this is the open price, this is a close price. See, so this is bearish candle, bearish day. Here we have the open price, and this is the close price, and so this is the low price L, the high price H. So it becomes a big problem to predict the nature of the daily candle. It's about having the mindset of what the day is doing, understanding what the day is going to be like. Some day can range, some day can go bearish or can go bullish. So Sunday can have high volume, Sunday can have low volume, Sunday can range. So you have to think about this. When you are placing your trade, what is your psychology? What is your mindset? What is your reasoning? What do you understand about the market in the day? Do you actually reason like the market? When the market is thinking that I'm gonna go range and you are still thinking that you're gonna make profit, definitely you are not going to make profit. That's your $1 million, you will lose it that day. That's your $5 million, you will lose it that day. That's your billions of dollars that you wanna convert to extra trillions of dollars, you know, especially in a stock market, in the big hedge fund market. You're gonna lose it because you are not able to understand what is going to happen in that day. Okay, well, I don't want to go deep into a complicated market or high volume markets, you know, but we are actually discussing this on the synthetic market, in which the volume is actually comparably measurable. Okay, and that's very cool. So always understand what the market is going to do in the day. It's very important. So you as an analyst, you have to use high level technical method to know the outcome of the day, because you don't know the outcome of the day, so you have to learn how to know it. Okay, by using valid price action strategy to know how what will be the polarity of the candle. Is this candle going to end dodgy? Is this candle going to end bearish in the day? Is it going to end bullish? These are the things you need to learn. Okay, and right here we are going to chart to continue this analysis. So right here, this is a SFS 40 index. Okay, what really make this candle end up like this is a question. It's a very important question, because if you as a trader, if you know that this candle will end bearish, then why shouldn't you sell? Then you should have placed a sell here and take profit, continue the sell, take profit and continue, take profit. You see, understanding a given day can help you to understand the next day, can help you to understand the next day, can help you to understand much further next days. Okay, it's very necessary. So you have to learn this. I'm not going to teach you how to forecast what the day will be like, but I'm gonna try to make you to have that psychology. It's all about psychology. I want you to have that mindset. if you don't know what the day will look like, you're gonna lose more money in the forex market, because every day you lose money, so it will accumulate in the year. So when you at the end of the year you are not achieving anything, you didn't make any money, you are losing it on daily basis. Yeah, because on average 80% of the traders are day traders, so you lose it on daily basis because of the emotion. You don't want to be a swinger, so you lose your money on daily basis. Ask yourself a question: do you understand how the day will look like? If the day gonna range, do you know? If it's gonna create certain length of candles, do you know how many pips the market is going to generate in a day? Can you predict it, the percentage change in the market? You have to learn this and know how to predict what the market will look like, the outlook, what the market is going to look like in a day. Stop pretending, okay, as if you know what the market is. You don't know, then you need motivation, and that's why you are in this channel. Be careful on how you jump into the market without understanding what the day will look like. Very necessary. So right here, this market ended bearish. Why? The question why, your ability to answer that question is necessary. Answer that question and you stop losing. Stop entering the market anyhow. Answer that question. I don't want the video to take so much time. We're gonna get more examples. Why on earth did this market end bullish? Is a question you have to ask yourself. Okay, it's open here and closes here. For what reason? What if it's open here and you enter the trade and the market start coming down? How will you feel? So in how many ways can you predict how the candle will look like? In how many ways can you be able to know the low and the high? In how many ways can you be able to enter the market? These are the psychology. These are the things you need to learn. Okay? But I can give some highlights here that if I'm to visit this market within this, okay, I actually discovered that there is a break of structure here. There is a support building up here in time. So I can easily predict this candle that is gonna be bullish. All I have to do is to know the low. When the low stabilizes, my SL will be about the low. I'm gonna buy this market. First TP here. I'm gonna put more position and hold this trade. Close some here and hold the rest. Maybe close 30% and hold the rest 70%, because I believe this high must be taken. And that's cool. Let's check more. Let's check more on flip market. So this is flip S. You see, yeah, this flip S in trade in this. I think the market went bearish for a long time. It went bearish. Like, this is crazy. Some good analysts will be like, what is going to happen at this session? In how many ways can we get stability in this market if the price left those sessions? If price left this rectangular slab, what's gonna happen? Okay, now you as a daily psychology trader, you have to bring in Kainer's holes into play. Insert a hole here, believing that market will respect those holes. And so we have some sort of resistances, a pullback rejection, then this day pulls back. That's cool. And then we'll have some small sell and another pushback with rejection. So with all this rejection, we can believe that the next day, which is this day, is gonna be bearish. So you can start piling a lot of sells here, closing about 30% when this day closes and holding the rest 70, believing that this market is gonna crash long term. Like, this market is gonna crash long term, and that's what's happened. Okay, I'll be ending this video. Thank you and bye for now.